So this will be the unfiltered, raw, no fancy editing, unboxing and review of the Super Run B803 treadmill. More than I thought before ordering it. It's a pretty hefty box, quite heavy, and so I just put it right here. So out of the box, this is what you're going to be getting. The actual treadmill itself, it's quite thin. I can't wait to assemble this. And then you also will get a brown box that looks like this. Here's the remote to control it. And let's see what else that's in here. There's going to be the manual, it looks like, plus the plug, the battery for the remote. We're gonna get a wrench right here. I did get the warranty on this. It's only, I believe it was $20 at the time when I ordered this on Amazon. I plan to use this every day to get my steps in, to keep my health and conditioning. So let me go ahead and set this up and give you a little example of how it works. And let me see if there's any tips and tricks that I can share with you when you plan to get this walk pad or anything similar to it. All set up, really easy setup. It didn't take too long. All you need to do is just connect the back of the connector to a plug. The unit itself is absolutely beautiful. I love how thin it is. Very, very practical and useful. It's actually not that heavy at all to lift, so anybody can use this. So far, I'm so happy with this walk pad. It's my first one. Here's the remote right here. We're gonna give it a go. So step one, all you have to do once you got everything set up is go ahead and hit the switch right here. All right, so you'll get a start sound, and then from there, all you have to do is simply press the start button. It defaults at 3.8 miles per hour. Let me go ahead and hit start first, so it'll give you a countdown. Okay, so it's counting down. It says it recommends to start at the default setting of 0.6. The 0.6 is about 3.8 miles per hour. As you can see here in the manual right here, which is the best walking speed, that's what they're recommending at 3.8 miles per hour. It's very easy. Just hit the buttons up and down, the increase and decrease to get a higher speed. Practical, very useful. I'm going to be using this all the time for either when I'm doing light work or studying or watching Netflix or anything. So they give you in rotation calories right there, speed, and then of course the time right there, and then distance. So it toggles back and forth, so you see all these stats of speed, time, distance, and calories burned. There is a Wi-Fi setting here that connects to an application called PitPat, which I haven't tried. Maybe I'll give it a go later. It looks like a gamified type of app to just enjoy running. Doesn't take up too much space, all in the comfort of your home or office. This is gonna be awesome to use every day. And let me show you guys really quickly what it's like increasing the speed. It's exactly like a treadmill that you would go at the gym. All in the comfort of your home, very light, very thin, easy to travel with, easy to store. This is truly a game changer. The only thing I could take away from it for now is that I wish this AC cord was just a little bit longer, but that's an easy solution. You can just get an extension cord. Besides that, I'm loving it. Any other tips I can give at this point? Let me go and turn this down. I'm losing my breath. Yeah, it's been a while. I need to start working out more, so this is going to help me a lot. Recommend that for you guys too. The other tips I can give, they're saying to do maintenance every 6 miles, I believe, 100 miles. I don't think anybody's really talking about this, but let me just show you. Let me turn this off. Okay, ooh, that's kind of workout. Okay, quick tips and tricks. You're going to lubricate every half a year or about 100 hours, and it says to clean the treadmill, turn off the power, of course, and do not place your fingers between the rear bumper and the rear roller. Just one more thing, really quickly. I've been getting in my first workout using the walk pad, and I want to just show you guys that the setting is maxed out at 3.8. It's going to be hard to zoom in because I'm actually using it in real time right now. As you can see there, 37 minutes in. It's a pretty decent run, more of a jog / run. So just to let you guys know that you can't go incredibly fast speeds on this. So it's definitely great for safety, for people who might be in danger, who might get hurt, like kids or the elderly. So that's another point I wanted to bring up that could be very helpful and useful for you guys if you're interested in this walk pad. Guys, if you have any questions about this walk pad, please feel free to comment below. I'm glad to help you with this if you have any questions. Very straightforward to use, just beginner friendly. Anybody can use it regardless of age, regardless of level. It doesn't matter, health and fitness level. So this is really for everyone. This would be a great gift idea as well. That's actually very helpful for everybody's health. We need to get our steps in to feel good and to live a more healthy life. All right. And yeah, that's about it. Feel free to leave a comment. If you have any questions, I'll help you if there is anything. Thank you. Have a lovely day. All right. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.